punctures. Right eye sees the end. Teeth gnash on silence. Lips on broken code. Skin mapped in triangles. Down a crooked road. I am not whole. I'm a collision of light. Two faces in one skull burning through the night. Hair wired with circles that spin out of phase. One side shouts fury, the other drifts in haze. Stripes coil like questions with no place to land. Fingers trace outlines drawn by a trembling hand. I am not whole, I'm a collision of light. Two faces in one skull burning through the night. Who drew the line? Who chose the hue? If I erase one half,